I am about 2 miles into the trail of McAfee Knob, which is a very populated trail of the Appalachian, part of the Appalachian Trail that starts in Georgia and ends in Maine, and I could not be more honored to be part of this magnificent hike. You do hear traffic most of the way up, and again, it's because it is part of the Appalachian Trail. I know it's going to be very crowded when I get up here because there is no parking in the parking lot, and they are actually parking on the side of the road, and I see very few people coming back down. So that means everybody in that parking lot is up here. Get ready for a spectacular view. This will be an 8-mile hike and a beautiful day for it. That's the second shelter and a little outhouse. I think it's totally awesome that they put this out in the middle of nowhere for the hikers. You can stay a maximum of 2 days in the shelter. It's a shame they can't take their trash out. It says leave no trace, but some people can't listen. I'm getting pretty good at calculating because I knew I was about 2 miles in back there when I did my first recording. And I still got 1 mile, a little over a mile, to go before I'm there. A lot of people on this trail. A lot of people. And the reason why there's no camping up there is because it's on a cliff. In 1 mile you will see the beautiful view that has taken me 8 miles to show you. 4 up, 4 back. Well, this is it. 4 miles up. I'm getting excited because I see the overlook sign. Are you ready?
我们在那就在这儿嘛，对吧？哎，不要太过去了，不要太过去了。现在，我们在这儿可以，怎么样？
哎，这个街。
然后在那儿拍，可以啊。递我们一点水。
Yep。
谁有纸？我才发现小晴你在裤子里。
我昨天晚上第一眼见他，不就是？
那我谁把你裤子撕了？
My hard up and down and around and over rocks. 4 miles back down. And there is a fire trail for a fire truck to get up there. Nice and straight shot. For people that don't want to hike back down, they take the road back down. I'm thinking, as old as I am, I should have done that. The last 2 miles is kicking my butt.